I'm going to start directly. So I want you all to mute yourself. Whenever you want to talk, you can unmute and participate. I'm going today to make a quick revision for what we have learned last week, and then I'm going to continue to the last part in our lesson. First of all, who can remind me of something we have taken?
Me.
Yalla, tell me.
We have taken the expanded form.
Yes, the expanded form
For decimal.
of decimal. What else?
Taken the word form.
The word form.
Fraction.
لا الفراكشن ما أخذناه. ما أخذنا
The
الفراكشن.
word form.
We took only the word form, the standard form, and the expanded form of a decimal number. So let us make a quick revision, then continue to our last part, okay?
Okay.
يلا mute yourself. Okay, so first of all, as you all know, our lesson is about decimals. Um, what are decimals? Are decimals that contain, are numbers that contain a whole part to the left, a decimal part to the right, and they are separated by a decimal point. The first thing we have learned is that every digit, it has a place in the chart. So starting from the point, if we have the point, the first digit to the left is called the ones, then tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, while the first digit in the decimal part is the tenths, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Then we learned how do I write a decimal number in word form, and we learned the steps. We said that to read a number, we should first read the whole part, then whenever you see a point, you say and, then you read the decimal part, followed by the column where the last number is. For example, if we have 20.045, we say 20, which is the whole part, and which is the point, then 45 thousandths, because we reached the thousandth digit. And we did a lot of exercises about this. Then we learned the expanded form of the decimal number, and we said that the steps are: you start by the whole number, you write the whole number, then whenever you reach the decimal part, you start placing the zeros. So 0.5, for example, plus 0.03 plus 0.002, for example. If we have here 13.361, it's 10 plus 3 because it's the whole part, plus 0.3 because it's the tenths, plus 0.06, it's in the hundreds, plus 0.001 because it's in the thousands. And we did, I think we reached this number. I think we reached here. So let us continue the exercises. Okay. I'm going to start from here. We still have some exercises before we continue to the last part of our lesson. So let me start by Mahdi.
Yes, miss.
Yalla Mahdi. As you can see here, we have 8.0342. It's written in the standard form. So we need to write it in expanded form and in words. Okay?
Okay, which one do I start with?
Start with the word form.
Okay, 8
Yes.
and 342.
Yes.
10,000.
Excellent, Mahdi. Let me choose another one to do the expanded form. Yalla, Majid.
Okay.
No.
Yes. What
Yalla.
the second?
لا لا, we are still
The
in the first number. Write it in expanded form.
Okay. Uh,
you know?
Miss,
نعم يا ماجد.
can I do the second? Can you do
ليه
one
يا
again
ماجد
and
بدك
two?
تكتب لي in expanded form, do you know? يلا حلا.
Um, 8
Yes.
thousand. Wait,
8 plus
8 plus 300.
لا يا مس
300. No, no.
ما بدي اياها in word form بدي اياها expanded form. شو بدنا اليوم؟ الظاهر الكل مش دارس اليوم.
Miss, can I do it?
لا
Miss
مهدي.
في
لا مهدي ما
Miss
في.
can I do it?
رشا, do you know how to do it?
Yes.
يلا يا رشا.
8 plus 8 plus 0.
ايه رشا يلا continue. 0 point.
8 plus 0.03
برافو.
plus 0.004
برافو.
plus 0.0002.
Excellent. That's it يا مس. It's 8 plus 0.03 plus 0.004 plus 0.0002. Thank you رشا. Let me choose now. حسن مغنية. حسن.
Yes, miss.
يلا يا حسن. In number 2, we already gave you the expanded form. I need you to give me the standard form and the word form.
Okay, the standard form is 10
Plus 8 is what?
Miss 10 8
10 8 هيك بنقول يا حسن. 10 8. ملك بتعرفي تعمليها؟
Yes.
يلا يا ملك, go ahead.
10 point
10 point.
at
مين هن النمبرز اللي عنا اياهم بالهول بارت؟ تفضل كريم. مازالك يا مس I know. تفضل.
Yes. Yes, miss.
يلا start.
In which form?
Standard form.
Okay. 8
شي وافتحي من الأول يا ست. شوفي هيك تعليق
Mute yourself, miss. Mute yourself. يلا.
8 and
شوفي عنا بالهول بارت كيف 8. كيف 8. شوفي عنا بالهول بارت.
Miss, which number I have to do it in?
يا مس نحن we are in number 2.
Oh, 10 108
لا يا
and
مس مش 108. It's not correct. It's not 108. إبراهيم ماروني, do you know?
18.
Yes,
يلا يا إبراهيم.
18 point.
Yes.
It's 36,000.
لا يا مس مش 36. مش 36. ال 3 هي بالتنث مظبوط، بس ال 6 منا بالهندردز لأقول أنا 36.
306.
So it's 18.306 thousandths. Thank you, Ibrahim.
Miss, can I try the third one?
علي طحينة.
Yes.
يلا number 3.
Number 3. 8 plus 0.1 plus 0.002. No, 0.02.
Bravo. Excellent. Can you write it in standard form?
Yes.
Write it.
8 and
8
12
point.
in standard.
Yes, in standard form.
8.12.
That's it. Thank you, Ali. Yeah. زهراء. زهراء. Okay, Lana and Muhammad.
Yes, Miss.
يلا Lana and Muhammad. We have the number 3.0727. Okay? And you have 4 choices. Which one is the correct form of the expanded and word form of the number? Yalla, think well, then answer. Think well, then give me the answer, okay?
Okay. B.
It's B. مين قال B?
Me, Muhammad.
Think well يا محمد.
Miss.
يلا
Miss,
لانا.
I know that.
بدي لانا ومحمد. Their turn. يلا يا لانا ومحمد. Think well. I need the correct expanded form and the correct word form. أول شيء can you لحتى نسهل الموضوع علينا can you please read this number in word form?
The number in word form.
Okay, can you tell this number in word form?
3 plus
3 and نحن عم نكتبها in word form, huh?
3 and
Yes.
3 and 7. 3 and 72.
727.
727.
727 what? What's the digit that we reached? This is the 10th, is it? Right?
Yes.
Then this is,
Hundreds.
then,
Thousands.
then.
10,000.
Excellent. So it's 3 and 727 10,000. So if you look at this word form, 3 and 727 10,000. 3 and 727 10,000. So it's one of these because those two, the word form, it's not correct. Let us now check the expanded form. Then we will be able to tell the correct answer. Let us write it in expanded form. How do we write this in expanded form? Yalla Lana.
Is it D?
Lana and Muhammad. Yalla Lana. What do you think?
It's D.
Very good. It's D because this is not the correct form of the expanded form. So the correct answer is
D.
D. Okay? Let us go for another one. Also, we have this form and we have choices and that we need to know. Selena?
Yes.
Yalla, Selena. We have this form and we need to check which one of them is the correct standard and word form.
Yes.
Yeah. First of all, let us write the number in standard form. Yalla, write it in standard form. It's
25.
yes.
Point.
Point.
9.
Yes.
07.
Okay, this is the standard form. So it's not C, it's not D. So it's either A or B. Can you tell the number in word form?
25.
Hmm.
And 907.
907 what?
Thousands.
Thousand. So it's which part?
A.
It's part A. Okay, let us continue.
Yes.
Yeah. So here we have the word form, and we need to check the others. But the حسين مغنية. يلا يا حسين. I have the word form 23 and 600s. Okay, let us first write this number in standard form. يلا 23 and 600s. Yeah.
23
23
point
point
6
6. هيك تعلمنا نعمل يا حسين. إذا عندي 600 يعني كم ديجيت عندي؟ كم داش بدي حط؟ إذا عندي 100 يعني كم داش بدي حط؟ كم ديجيت بدي حط يا رينا؟
Miss, can I?
23.6
ركزي معي رينا، جاوبي على سؤالي أنا. إذا عندي 600 يعني كم داش بدي حط؟
عندك 600
إذا عندي the digit hundreds هون the column hundreds يعني كم digit بحط بعد البوينت؟ كم داش؟
3
3
2
2 dashes, one for the tenths and one for the hundredths. So where do I put the 6?
at the last
What about the empty place?
0
So C, it's not correct. D, it's not correct. So it's either A or B. Let us write it in expanded form in order to know which one is the correct answer. Yalla Rena, what do you think?
Miss, can I answer?
لا ماجد.
23.6
20
3
plus 3
plus 3
eh, plus
plus 0.006
006. ليه 006؟ ليه كم ديجيت اصلا هني كلهم بعد البوينت؟
0.06
So which one is the correct answer?
0.06
So أي part A or B?
B
It's B. Now I'm going to explain something new. How do I write a fraction as decimal, and how do I write a decimal as fraction? Yalla, pay attention, all of you. How to convert fractions into decimals, and how do I convert the decimal into fraction? So first of all, if we have 2 over 10, 2 over 10, how do I say this in word form? You already learned this. Do you still remember in the fractions? We learned how to say this fraction in words. What's this fraction in words?
2/10.
It's 2/10, right? We say that this is 2/10. So I only have 2 in the tenths. So it's 0.2, right?
Oh, yes.
It's very easy. Yeah, let us do another exercise. If we have 2300, how do I say this in words؟ ما بدي تعطوني الديسيمال نمبر، ما حدا يتشاطر، بكفيني اللي صرتوا عاملينه من أول السيشن لهلا. Answer my questions only. How do I say this in word form? 23 hundredths, right? That's how we say it in word form. So if I want to fill this column, so I put 23 in the hundredths. So the number is 0.23. Is everything clear till now?
Yes.
Let us continue. If I have 567 over 1000, how do I say this in word form?
567,000.
Thousands. Okay, so I put it 567 until I reach the thousands. So it's 0.567. Is it clear?
Yes, it's easy.
Yalla. What if I have only 4 over 1000? Can you tell me this in word form?
4,000.
4000. So I only place the 4 in the thousands. What about the empty places?
Zero.
Zeros. So it's 0.004. Is it clear?
Yes.
So the word form will help me write the number. Let us continue. Now we are going to change the decimal numbers into fractions. Can you say this number in word form?
But can I say it?
يلا say it. Participate كلكم. 0.4.
4 over 10.
يا مس يا مس يا مس جاوبوا على سؤالي. Say it in word form.
0 and 4/10.
لا هيدي ما بنقولها زيرو، ولا مرة نحن قلنا زيرو and. دايما بقول لكم الزيرو ما بتقولوه in word form. We have only 4/10. تشوفوا انه بعد عندكم مشاكل كتير بالword form وكتير بالstandard form. This is 4/10. So it's 4 over 10. Who can tell me the second one? حلا؟
Me.
بدي حلا.
35 over 10.
لا ليكي هلا اذا بتقوليها بالword form بتسهلي على حالك كيف تكتبيها بفراكشن. يعني حاولي قولي لي اياها in word form. This is 35 what?
Oh, 35 tenths.
We reach the hundreds يا حلا. مزبوط؟
Oh, yeah.
يلا say it again.
3,500.
So how do I write it?
I write 35
Over.
as a numerator.
Very good.
Over and 100.
Very good. Very good. Now what do I have? 7 and 28 hundredths, right? So I write, look how do we do this? This is very easy. We put the number as it is in the numerator. So we put 728 in the numerator and we put it over 100. Okay? So if I have a whole number before the point, I just put it all of it, then over 100. Is it clear? Let us do more exercises. So here I have 0.8. How do I say this in word form? How do I say this in word form?
8/10.
8/10. So it's 8 over 10. Okay? Yalla, the second one.
400.
400.
So it's 4 over 100. Okay? Now we have
336 over 100.
over 100. That's it. You have to know that I'm not satisfied at all. وكتير كتير 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 معصبة. ما بدي اسمع حدا. هيدا مش درس هيك. هيدا مش درس انه صرنا اسبوع عم نحكي فيهم، تجوا انتوا اليوم ما معكم خبر لا بالستاندرد فورم ولا بالاكسباندد فورم ولا شيء. هيدا منه مقبول. هلا